Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace instrument cluster on Mazda CX-7, how to remove that thing if you have a burned bulb, if you want to do some custom work or you need to replace it. We'll show you how to do that. Stay with us. That's the one we're talking about. Okay, right here you can see. So we'll cover the whole procedure, how to remove it now. Let's go ahead and start on it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, guys, and let's grow that channel together. Now we need to get a prying tool. Okay, and you need to pry that plastic down. Okay, it's not very easy. Okay, but it comes out. Okay, just like that. You need to do the same procedure on this side. Okay, just pull it like that, out of there. Okay, now you need to pry. Okay, you need to pry that trim here. Okay, and if you go on the side there a little bit, you can pop it open. Okay, like that on this side. You can see it started going, and now you need to keep prying it. Okay, like that. Don't use a screwdriver because you're going to hurt your dash and you leave marks all over the place. So a plastic prying tool will be the best, or put some electrical tape on the screwdriver if you do that. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect it right here. You can see that leather thing, it needs to go up. So if you just grab it, you can pull it by hand. There is a few clips there. Okay, it snaps back in later, pretty easy. Okay, came like that. Now you can go ahead and pull the trim out of there. Okay, it got in the clip here. Okay, so it's out. And you can see, guys, this is the cluster right here. Not very complicated so far at all. Now we have 3 screws that we need to remove. One on top there. And we will have 2 on the bottom, one on the left, one on the right side. Check out the playlist, guys. We have at least 50-60 videos for that Mazda. So one of them might be helpful and save you quite a bit of money, many more to come. And we will be uploading quite a few videos on that channel, guys. Let's grow it together. Please subscribe. Okay, and after you remove these 3 screws, you can just pull it out, and now all you need to do, disconnect the wire, which you need to push in there, in the middle. Okay, right here. And pull out at the same time. Okay, it's a little bit tight. Okay, it came out, it's loose. Just wiggled it out of there. And this is, guys, the instrument cluster out of a Mazda CX-7. You can see, not very complicated at all. All you will have to do is you just need to connect it later, put it back together just the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.